Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable IPv6 in Windows 11 or 10. So just follow some easy steps. Firstly click on start. Now type control panel. Open control panel. Now select view by as category. Then click on network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center. Now left click on internet resource. Then click on wireless. Then click on properties. Now here guys you will see option IPv6. You can enable or disable by selecting here. If you check this box, so it's enabled, and if you uncheck, then click on OK. So this Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 will be disabled. So this is the way guys you can enable or disable IPv6 in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.